Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You sign in, then open your channel and click Customize Channel to start. Once there, switch to the Branding tab. This is where the banner lives. You want to act now? Click Change next to Banner Image. If you plan to remove rather than replace, have a transparent PNG ready or a plain 2560 x 1440 file. YouTube needs an image upload to clear the current banner. Make sure you use the desktop site, because the mobile app won't let you fully remove the banner. You now choose Replace or Remove. Note, YouTube often requires an upload to clear an existing banner. Select Upload and pick your transparent or minimal image, then use the crop handles to keep the focal area centered. The safe zone is about 1546 by 423 pixels. Once positioned, review previews for desktop, TV, and mobile. If a direct remove button appears, click it. Otherwise, upload the blank image. Remember, this step changes how viewers see your channel across devices, so adjust carefully. You finish by clicking Publish or Save, then wait for the update to process. Once done, verify the banner is gone or replaced on desktop, mobile, and in an incognito window. This confirms cache versus actual change. If the old image persists, clear your browser cache and reload, or check on another device. If changes still don't appear, confirm you're the channel owner with the right permissions and try again. Sometimes YouTube requires up to 24 hours to propagate visual updates across all surfaces.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.